Here in Idaho, the weather gets wild and we get our vehicles and ATVs stuck probably a little more than we would like to admit. I was recently contacted and asked to do an honest review on the Lil Gripper tire traction kit. I was like, sign me up. First of all, I appreciate how compact it is because you're not packing around like it's just much smaller than snow chains and way more heavy duty. The Lil Gripper attaches to the tire of your, in this case, we're using an ATV with a ratchet strap. And I do want to note that this is really high quality material. So the gripper itself is made out of Canadian steel, and even the ratchet strap is reinforced, heavily reinforced. We use a lot of ratchet straps on the farm, and this is not a cheap ratchet strap. Whenever it's time to review manly things, I get my husband on board. Now, initially, he wasn't totally convinced. He, for some reason, didn't think that the gripper was going to fit correctly on the tire, but he was quickly proven wrong. It worked out really good, but then it got even better. After he did a really quick install on the four-wheeler, he took it for a test run through the ditch, and he backed into the ditch and came out of the ditch, and the gripper did not move, stayed right in place, and it did what it was supposed to do. And he was like, huh, like they have a lot of, this has a lot of traction. So there you have it, short and sweet. The Lil Gripper is pretty slick, low profile, will easily attach to your wheel. Anybody can install these guys. These things are so easy to use that you can use them alone if you're stuck and get yourself out. They make them for cars, SUVs, trucks, and ATVs. So I hope this helps.